Understanding the phrase, signing off, in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a common English phrase, signing off. This phrase is widely used in both formal and informal settings, and understanding its usage can really enhance your English communication skills. So, let's dive into the world of this interesting phrase. Signing off originally comes from the world of broadcasting. It refers to the moment when a radio or television presenter concludes their program. Literally, it meant turning off the broadcast signal or indicating the end of a transmission. This phrase creates a clear picture of an ending or a conclusion, something we'll see as important in its broader uses. In everyday communication, signing off has taken on a more figurative meaning. It is often used at the end of a conversation, especially in written communication like emails or instant messaging. When someone says they are signing off, they are indicating that they are ending their part of the communication. It's a polite way to signal the conclusion of their input. Example in email. For example, in an email, you might see, "Thank you for all the information. I'll get back to you with any further questions." Signing off, your name. This shows the end of that person's communication in the email thread. The phrase can vary slightly. You might hear, sign off, signed off, or signing off now. The meaning remains the same, but the context can change the tone. In a formal email, signing off is polite and professional. In a casual text message, it might be more relaxed, like, "Gotta sign off now, talk later." I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, signing off, in your English conversations. It's a small phrase, but it can add a lot of clarity and politeness to your communication, especially in written forms like emails or messages. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. Signing off for now.